Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickMagick for affiliate link attribution testing step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the ClickMagick website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Fill in your details to create a new account. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Click on the Links menu on the left side of the screen. Select the Add New Link option to begin setting up your first link. In the Destination URL field, enter the affiliate link you wish to track. You can customize the link name for easier identification. Optionally, set up a sub-ID to help with further tracking and analysis. Decide if you want to enable tracking features like split testing or pixel tracking. Once you've entered all the required information, click the Create Link button. Your new tracking link will now appear in your link list. To test the link, click on it and ensure it redirects to the intended affiliate site. If everything looks good, copy the tracking link provided. Now, integrate this tracking link into your marketing materials. To view the performance of your link, return to the dashboard. Click on the Tracking Links option to access detailed analytics. Regularly monitor the stats to optimize your affiliate campaigns. Make adjustments to your strategy based on the insights gained from ClickMagick. That's it. You have successfully installed ClickMagick for affiliate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.